So our topic for this day is all about linear equations and inequalities in one variable. Again, it's all about linear equations and inequalities in one variable. So when we talk about linear equations and inequalities in one variable, we are talking about equation and inequalities are relations between two quantities. So natin ginaisgutan na duha ka quantities, the linear equations and the inequalities in one variable. So natay again duha ka quantities, no? So kung may tag linear equations, later may baon na to siya. Later na lang din. Okay, so when we talk about equation, this is a mathematical sentence indicating that two expressions are equal. So the symbol na to gigamit kay kini siya, no? The symbol na ito gigamit pag natay makitaan nga ingani equal at the center of the two quantities kay ang tawag sa ija equation or linear equation. This is used to indicate equality. Again, pag natay makita na equal sign, this is what we call equation. And this is used to indicate equality. So kung unsa ang imong naa sa left should be equal to mga numbers nga naa sa right. So, for example, natay 2x plus 5 equals 9. This is a conditional equation because we have the variable x. So, kung may tag linear equations in one variable, pasabot na alang tay isa ka variable. Ang sa ganitong variable, we can use letters. So, kung nalang tay isa ka letters, that is linear equations in one variables. But when we talk about linear equations in two variables, natay makit-an nga duha ka variables. Say, for example, x and y. If my equation is 2xy plus 5 equals 9, that is linear equations in two variables. But if I only have one variable, so mao na nga itong gitawag na linear equations in one variable. So 2x plus 5 equals 9. This is an example of linear equations in one variable. So, pag natay makit-an nga equal sign, ang tawag sa ija kay linear equations. Pag natay makit-an nga isa ra ka variable na atay linear equations in one variable. Ha? Mo ninyo timan-an. So, since it's truth or falsity depends on the value of x. So, again, mahimo lang nato siyang true kung unsay value ni x. Kung ang ato value ni x is 0, what's the answer? So, ato i-substitute si 0 sa x. Natay 2 times 0 plus 5, that's 5. Dili siya equal sa 9. So, ang answer nato dili is false. Diba? False. Pero kung ato value sa x kay 2, so mahimo siyang 2 times 2, 4 plus 5, that's equal to 9. So pasabot that is true. No, if the value of x is 2, this becomes true. But if the value of x is 0, this becomes false. Yun po. Si 2 plus 9 equals 11, this is again an example of equation kay nagamit tag equal sign. So, ang tawag sa ija is an identity equation since both of its sides are identical to the same number 11. Kung i-add mo si 2 plus 9, that's 11. Sa pikasad kay 11. So, this is an identity equation. So, we also have this what we call inequality. So, kung may tag inequality is still, this is a mathematical sentence that indicates the two expressions that are not equal. Kung gaina, sa equation kay indicates the two expressions nga equal sila. But for inequality, this is still a mathematical sentence na nag-indicate na ang duha na to ka expressions are not equal. So the symbols less than or greater than are used to denote inequality. Unsa galing symbols ang gigamit nato sa equation, that's equals. Symbols na gigamit nato for inequality, that's less than or greater than. Okay, dili equal, that's inequality. 3 plus 2 is not equal to 4. And this is an example of inequality. Si 3 plus 2 is an expression. 4 is also an expression. So, natay 3 plus 2 is 5. And sa right side na to is 4. So, pasabot that they are not equal. So, this is what we call inequality. So, we can write not instead of equal. So, we can write this one. 3 plus 2 is greater than 4. No, we'll not use equal na symbol if they are not equal. Now, if two expressions are unequal, then their relationship can be any of the following. That's greater than or equal, less than or equal. Next. So, when we talk about linear equation in one variable, this is an equation which can be written in the form of ax plus b equals 0. So, this means that we only have one variable here and we're using the symbol na equal. So, manang gitawag nato na linear equation in one variable because we only use one variable and that's variable x. Actually, we can use any variables or any letters as long as we only have one variable lang po. So, where a and b are real number constants and a should not be equal to 0. Dili pwede na ma-equal si a sa 0 kaya mahitabo kay mahimo na lang ni siyang constant. For example, x plus 7 equals 12. So, this is an example of linear equation in one variable because naalang tayo isa ka-variable na x and natay equal sign. Next, solution set of a linear equation. So, for example, natay 4x plus 2 equals 10. Ay, ma'am. Naani gawas. 4x plus 2 equals 10. This statement is either true or false. Again, because it will depend on the value of x. Our equation here, natay isa ka variable na x, and this can be true or this can also be false depending on the value of our x. So, for example, if our x is equal to 1, then natay 4x plus 2 equals 10, mahimo siyang false because 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So, dili siya equal sa 10. If the value of x is equal to 2, then natay 4x plus 2 equals 10, mahimo siyang true because 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 equals 10. So again, if the value of x is 1, this is false. This equation is false. If the value of x is 2, then this equation is true. Next, x minus 4 is less than 3. So, kini na statement is either true or false. Mahimo lang siyang true, mahimo po siyang false. Mahimo ni siyang true si x minus 4 is less than 3 if si x is equal to 6. Nga naman, 6 minus 4 kay that's 2 and 2 is less than 3. No? And mahimo lang po siyang true kung the value of x is equal to mahimo lang siyang false if the value of x is equal to 10. So, for example, natay 10 minus 4, that's 10 minus 4, that's 6. And 6 is not less than 3. Kay si 6 is greater than 3. So, if the value of x is equal to 10, then this is false. Our equation is, or inequalities pala is false. So, when a number replaces a variable in an equation or inequality to result in a true statement, that number is a solution of the equation or inequality. So, the set of all solutions for a given equation or inequality as called the solution set of the equation or inequality. Again, when a number replaces a variable in an equation, so natay variable x, kung alisdan na nato siyang number sa equation or inequality, ang result ana, kay ang tawag sa ija is solution. That number is a solution. Kung daghan siya set of solutions, ang tawag sa ija solution set. Sa galito, kung naatay number na ato i-substitute sa ato variable, tapos ang result kay mahimo siyang true, or that will make the statement true, unsay tawag ana nga number? Uy! Buntag pa nangatog na mo. Again, kung naatay number ato siya ibutang or i-substitute sa variable nga naata, and then pag substitute nato mahimo siyang true, then kana na number is what we call what? Starts with letter S. Solution, ang tawag sa ija solution po. Pero kung naatay daghan na mga numbers na kung i-substitute nato ani na variable, ang tawag sa ija solution set. Kung daghan ang mga numbers na mahimo ni na statement na true, tawag sa ija kay solution set. Okay. Solution set of simple equations and inequalities in one variable by inspection. So, to solve an equation of inequality means to find its solution set. Sa ganito, solution set, daghan na mga numbers na kung ato i-substitute kay mo, mahimo sa ato statement na true. So, there are three ways to solve an equation or inequality by inspection. Una, kay ang gitawag nato na guess and check. Kakinina method, ang usa kay mag-guesses and substitutes values into an equation of inequality to see if a true statement will result. No? For example, pinitag 1, ato i-substitute, sakto. 2, ato i-substitute, sakto. So, manang guess and check. So, for example, x minus 12 is less than 4. So, nangita tag mga possible value ni x na mo, mahimo ni nga statement or mahimo ni na true statement. So, if si x is equal to 18, so 18 minus 12, that's bilang man? 6, no? So, si 6 is not less than 4. So, false. If our x is equal to 17, no? So, mahimo siyang 5, and 5 is not less than 4. So, if our x is equal to 16, then mahimo siyang 4, and 4 is not less than 4. They are equal. So, si x is equal to 15, mahimo ang ato statement. If si x is equal to 15, that's 3, and 3 is less than 4. That's correct. If x is equal to 14, that's 2, and 2 is less than 4. So, kining value ni 15 and si 14, this means ang ato solution set kay si 15 ug si 14. Another example, x plus 3 equals 7. If x is equal to 6, then 6 plus 3 is not equal to 7. If x is equal to 5, then 5 plus 3 is not equal to 7. Okay, it's 8. If our x is equal to 4, then 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 4. So, muna siya ang pwede natin example. Ikaduha is to cover up. Another way is to cover up. In this method, one covers up the term with the variable. For example, consider equation x plus 9 equals 15. So, si x plus 9 equals 15, pwede na to kabiran si x. Tanggalon na to si x. Unsa man na number na ato i-add sa 9 nga mo equal sa 15. What's the answer? That is 6. 6 plus 9, that is equal to 15. Muna another way. Another example. X minus 1 equals 3. Unsa may ato i-minus or minus sa ng 1 nga mo equal og 3. The answer is 4. Okay, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Next is working backwards. Pwede pa din nato siya gamiton. In this method, the reverse procedure is used. For example, consider the equation 2x plus 6 equals 4. Pwede ta mag-start sa x. No? Si x times na to og 2. No? Si x times na to 2. Wait lang. Dili ta mag-start. X, i-times na to siya sa 2. Mahimo siyang 2x. 2x plus 6, mahimo siyang 2x plus 6, mahimo siyang wait lang. Okay, again. Si x i-times na to sa 2 equals 2x. And 2x plus 6, that is 14. Okay? That's 14. Mo na nga to end. Pwede po na to siya i-backward na 14 minus 6 equals 8, and 8 divided by 2 equals x. Pwede na to siya gamiton. Example, 4y equals 12. So, natay 4y equals 12. So, natay y times 4 equals 12. Again, y times 4 equals 12. Pwede po 12 divided by 4 equals y. So, therefore, ang atong y is equal to 3. No? Again, y times 4 equals 12. And pwede sa natin backward, 12 divided by 4 equals 5. Why? So, pila man ang 12 divided by 4? That's 3. Diba? 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Ano ang backwards? And for the lastly, no, that we will discuss about the properties of equality and inequality. So, natin mga kinahanglan i-remember sa properties ng equality and inequality. First is the reflexive property. Always remember that R, A, B, and C are real numbers. Real numbers po sila. So, first is we have reflexive property. Kung may reflexive property, pasabot si A is equal to A. Example, 3 is equal to 3. Si 7 is equal to 7, and si 10.5 is equal to 10.5. Pag natay nga ni, ang tawag reflexive property. Letter B is the symmetric property. Kung may symmetric property, if A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. For example, if 3 plus 5 equals 8, then 8 equals 3 plus 5. If 15 equals 6 plus 9, then 6 plus 9 equals 15. So, baliho na nato siya, mo na ang symmetric. Next, transitive property. If A is equal to B, and B is equal to C, then A is equal to C. No, pasabot. If 8 plus 5 equals 13, tapos si 13 is equal to 6 plus 7, then 8 plus 5 equals 6 plus 7. No, pareha man sila equal sa 13, pasabot that si 8 plus 5 o si 6 plus 5 are also equal. And for multiplication natin, 8 times 5 equals 40, and 40 is equal to 4 times 10, pasabot that 8 times 5 is equal to 4 times 10. Next is the addition property. So, if A is equal to B, then A plus C equals B plus C. If 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, then 3 plus 5 is equal to 3 is equal to 8 plus 3. Mo na ang pasabot sa addition. For subtraction, A is equal to B, then A minus C is equal to B minus C. Example, 3 plus 5 equals 8. Then 3 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3. Multiplication property. If si A nato is equal siya sa B nato, then kung i-multiply nato sila ng same na number, AC is equal ra gyapon na siya sa BC. For example, si 4 times 6 equal 24. So, si 4 times 6, kay ato siya times i-multiply sa 3, o si 24, multiply po nato siya sa 3, equal ra ang ilang answer. Next is for division property. If A is equal to B, and C is not equal to 0, then si A divides C is equal to B divided by C. For example, 4 times 6 is equal to 24. So, kung ato i-divide si 4 times 6 sa 3, equal lang ija answer sa 24 divided by 3. 4 times 6 equals 24 divided by 3, that's 8. Same with 24 divided by 3, that's 8. Equal lang sila. And for the properties of inequality, no? Time na ba? Okay, na pa. For the properties also of inequality, kay natay let A, B, and C be real numbers. Again, real numbers A, B, and C. Note nato that properties of inequalities will still hold true using the relation symbol less than or equal or greater than or equal. So, una kay natay addition property for inequality. So, if ato A is less than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. So, for example, si 2 mas gamay siya sa 3. Then, si 2 plus 1 is mas gamay na gihapon siya sa 3 plus 1. No, natay gi-add na pareha sa both sides na 1, no still, mas gamay na gihapon si 2 plus 1 kaysa kang 3 plus 1. Okay, so subtraction property, if A is less than 5, then A minus C is less than B minus C. No, again, if A is less than B, A minus C is less than B minus C also. For example, if 2 is less than 3, sakto man na mas gamay si 2 kaysa kang 3. Then, natay, kung ato sila subtractan ng same number na 1, 2 minus 1 is still less than sa 3 minus 1 ra gihapon. Next is multiplication property. If si A is less than B and C is greater than 0, then AC is less than BC. But if si A is less than B and C is greater than or less than 0, then AC is greater than BC. For example, si 2 kay mas gamay sa 3. Then, si 2 times 2 is less than 3 times 2. Again, si C nato is si 2. No? So, si 2 is greater than 0 man siya. So, pag greater than 0, pasabot less than yung na-adere. 2 times 2 is equal to 4 and 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Pasabot 4 is less than 6. Next is, if 2 is less than 3, then 2 times negative 2 is greater than 3 times negative 3. Kaya si negative 2 is less than 0. 0 man. Kung natay less than 0, pasabot si AC is greater than BC. Mahimo siyang ingana. For the last one, division property. Same ra gihapon na if A is less than B and C is greater than 0, kung ato mga numbers kay greater than 0, pasabot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, then A is divided by C is less than B divided by C. For example, if natay 2 is less than 3, then si 2 divided by 3 kay less than sa 3 divided by 3. And the last is if A is less than B and C is less than 0, pasabot ato mga numbers kay mga negative na, no? Then si A divided by C is greater than B divided by C. For example, if 2 is less than 3, then 2 is less than negative 3. 2 greater than negative, 2 divided by negative 3 is greater than 3 divided by negative 3. And that's the end of our